Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to edit photo in Picsart. So in order to do it, first thing first, you have to download it from your Play Store or an iOS or an App Store, and next thing you want to do is go ahead and create or log in with your Google account. Once you've done that, at the bottom press the plus icon and make sure that you've enabled all sort of permissions. Once the photo has been loaded from your gallery or that they're able to access it, now to edit the photo, what you need to do is just go ahead and select the random photo. I'm gonna go with this one. So as you can see, this is the particular image. Now you can see at the bottom there are multiple tools. So if you want to go ahead and edit, you could go ahead and tap on the tools button. You could either crop the image, you could also go ahead and free crop, shape crop, or whatever. You could go do this. And if you have some other items or object that you want to remove, you could go with the clone, and if you want to replace it with the AI, you could also do that. Next thing, if you want to apply effects, you could go to the effects section and you could find effects and like simple whatever. If you want to blur the image, you just go with the blur section, then you could go ahead and locate it. And if you want to change the color, you could also do it just like this, and you can find the images or the blurring tools and the effects. Likewise, you could go ahead and remove the background as well if you don't like it. So you could add stickers, or you could cut out some items or particular part that you don't like it and add a text, all that. So you could go and explore all this feature at the bottom of the page, and this is basically how you could go ahead and edit photo in your Picsart. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.